Welcome to the Easley model by Pulte Homes. Let's go check it out.
The Merlot is the largest single-story home available in the Grove in East Orlando, and this home has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, optional 3-car garage at 2,600 plus square feet of living space. This home has a tri-split floor plan with 2 bedrooms and bath on one side, the primary suite tucked away in the back, and then the 4th bedroom with private baths separated from the rest. These first 2 bedrooms are 13 by 10 and a large 10 by 10. Now here's a great room made for entertaining. The Merlot and Easley floor plans differ just slightly from each other, so make sure to check out both floor plans on our website, testinteam.com. This kitchen's been upgraded with built-in oven and microwave and the extended countertop in the island and single basin sink. Comment upgrades down below if you'd like a full list of upgrades done on this particular model. One thing you'll definitely get with this model is this large walk-in pantry. Now on to the primary suite. The standard primary suite for the Merlot is 13 by 15 square feet, but you can extend to and add an additional 13 by 9. You can also add sliding glass doors to the covered lanai if you'd like. The primary bathroom comes with a standalone shower and optional separate bath. One small difference in floor plans is the primary closet in the Merlot does not have the T-shaped storage in the center of the closet. You'll have backyard views from your kitchen and gathering room with the option to include pocket sliding doors out to the lanai. And of course, if you're dreaming of an outdoor kitchen, it's best to get it plumbed out while the home is being built rather than waiting until later. Now this is what I call outdoor living in Florida. On to the mudroom, laundry room, and 4th bedroom. Now with the Merlot, you can choose either a 3-bedroom, 3-car tandem garage or a 4-bedroom, 2-car garage, unlike the Easley shown here in Mount Dora, which has both a 4-bedroom and a 3-car garage.
If you're interested in seeing this new construction home or any others in Central Florida, give our team a call.